If you need ice dams removed from your roof, we can definitely steam away your worries. We use safe, low-pressure, high-temperature steam equipment that is gentle on all roofing materials. Our equipment is guaranteed to do zero roof damage. We do not use hot pressure washers as other companies are doing. We only use safe, low-pressure steam equipment that runs at a maximum of 100 psi and steam temperatures up to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. These are the correct parameters for low-pressure steam equipment. Our steam equipment runs on electricity and is kerosene fired. If a company comes to your job and doesn't want to use your electricity to power their machine, it is more than likely a hot pressure washer. We filmed the following video live in Milwaukee and included some tips to help you avoid roof damage.
Hello everyone, Absolutely Clean Window Washing coming to you here with an ice dam steaming job in Milwaukee. And we were called to this home because of the icicles coming down the siding. They definitely have a leak, and they were very smart to give us a call to come on out here. As you see, the ice is coming down the siding there. So that whole soffit is a solid block of ice. As you can see, the icicles coming down the siding here, down that window. That's a very good sign that you have a problem, and you should get it addressed very quickly. As you can see, the icicles coming through the soffit there. And basically that whole soffit is a solid block of ice. They probably have ice and water coming in behind the siding as well. And it wouldn't have been more than a couple days and they would have had water in this home. So it was a very good idea that they gave us a call. So what we're going to do today for this customer is we're going to steam the ice off all the way around the house, even in the areas where they're not leaking, just to prevent anything in the future. We've removed the snow off the entire roof, and now we're going to steam the ice. So if you live in Milwaukee anywhere and have a building that looks like this with ice coming down the siding, or any telltale signs of ice dam leaking in areas that shouldn't be, such as even behind that gutter. If you have icicles coming down behind your gutter, that's a very good sign that you need to do something quickly before the water comes in your home. Please give us a call, 612-919-4185. Thank you. Hello everyone, Absolutely Clean Window Washing coming to you here with this ice dam steaming job in Milwaukee. And we're just going to do a little informative piece here to let everybody know how to identify good low pressure steam equipment. So here you can see we got the gun just leaning up against the ladder there, and no trigger on the gun, so this machine always stays running. There's no trigger, there's no need to squeeze a trigger. That's a pressure washer. If you see a trigger on a so-called steamer, more than likely it is not a low pressure system. It is a hot pressure washer, and it probably cannot produce steam, and more than likely will damage your roof. If you have ice dams on your roof and you're looking for a good low pressure system, you always are looking for an open gun like this. We are an ID safe member, which means we own the correct low pressure, high temperature steam equipment for ice dam removal, and we will not damage your roof, guaranteed. If you want ice dams removed from your property, please give us a call, 612-919-4185. 612-919-4185. Thank you so much. Hello everyone, Absolutely Clean Window Washing coming to you here again with the same home in Milwaukee. And we're just going to show you just a quick video here of how the steam cuts through the ice. So you can see we got a pretty good ice dam going on here. It's nothing crazy, we've seen a lot worse ice dams, but they definitely have a very strong potential to have water come in the home. And there's a nice long section over here as well by the ladder. So it's a pretty nice ice dam in the front of the house here. But basically we can take the steam and we can direct the spray right down on the roof without any fear of cutting through the shingles. This is not water, it's steam at very low pressure. So we're probably not going to be able to see it cut very well because there's so much steam here today. It's 20, well, it's about 10 below zero, I'd say. I haven't checked, but it's a little difficult to do this with one hand. But as you can see, we're directing the spray of steam right down on the shingles there without any fear of cutting through the shingles at all or doing any damage whatsoever. So when you have the right equipment for ice dam removal, the ice gets melted very quickly. When you use the wrong equipment, there's a very real chance that you'll damage the roof and you don't remove the ice quickly. So you can see there we've created a nice channel in the ice dam. We're going to undercut it, clean the gutters out. We'll clean this whole section of roof off here. We'll get this valley all cleaned out, and this home should be good to go. And so if you have any questions about low pressure steam ice dam removal, give us a call, 612-919-4185. 612-919-4185. Thank you. Okay, just wanted to start the video back up here and show you that they definitely did have a leak here. So this whole soffit is a solid block of ice, and you can see the icicles running through the soffit there. And that is a very good indication. There's some little icicles here. There's even some little icicles down there. So that's a very good indication that you need to get your ice dams removed.